Dear students, welcome. In this video, we will discuss normal probability curve (NPC). इस टॉपिक ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ NPC ਹੈ ਕੀ? NPC ਦੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੈਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਕਰਵ। ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਨੋਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਦਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। Was firstly discovered by Abraham de Moivre in 1733। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੋਂ ਡਿਸਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। German mathematician and physicist Carl Gauss used it to analyze astronomical data, and it consequently became known as Gaussian distribution among the scientific community. As the name indicates, normal probability curve NPC is made of two terms. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ two terms ਨੇ, that is normal and second one is probability, where normal means conforming to a type, a standard or regular pattern, and probability means a tool used to study randomness. Normal probability curve is a technique for distributing the data in normal form. It is a continuous probability distribution that is systematically in both sides, either right or left side. It is also known as bell shaped curve, ਜਿਵੇਂ bell ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ, because the figure of graph is bell in shape, and we can say that the normal probability curve is also known as Gaussian distribution. It also refers to a family of continuous probability distribution. Hence, normal probability curve is an ideal symmetrical curve. It is supposed to be based on the data of a population. In it, Meyers are concentrated closely around the center. There are very few Meyers at the low score end of the scale, and increasing number up to a maximum at the middle position, and a symmetrical fall in off towards the high score end of the scale. It is very useful in psychological and educational measurements. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੀ definition according to J.P. Guilford, normal probability curve is a well-defined and well-structured mathematical curve having a distribution of scores, mean, standard deviation. Standard deviation curve itself is a mathematical conception. Now, characteristics, features or properties of normal probability curve. First is the normal curve is symmetrical. ਹੁਣ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇਹਦੀ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਇਹ symmetrical ਹੈ. The first characteristic of NPC is symmetrical in nature. The left and the right value of the middle central point are the mirror images. It implies that size, slope or shape of one side of curve is identical to the other. Second is the normal curve is unimodal. In this case, there is only one point in the curve which has maximum frequency, that it has only one mode. Next is coincidence of mean, median and mode. In this distribution, mean, median and mode are the same and they lie at the center. They lie at the center of the distribution curve. It is represented as 0 at the baseline. Mean is equal to median is equal to mode. NPC as a mathematical model in behavioral sciences. The curve is used as a measurement scale. The measurement unit of this scale is standard deviation. Normal curve is bilateral. The 50% area of the curve lies off to the left side of the maximum central ordinate, and 50% lies at the to the right side. Hence, the curve is bilateral in nature. Normal probability curve is asymptotic. The curve gets closer and closer to the x-axis but never actually touches it. To put it another way, the tails of the curve extended indefinitely in both directions. Its ends extend from minus infinity and plus infinity. Next is distance of the curve. For practical purpose, the base of the curve is divided into 6 sigma distance from center. Most of the cases, 99.73% are covered within such distance. Next is point of influx. Point of influx is one of the property with which NPC is prepared. The point of influx is at where the curve changes from convex to concave in relation to horizontal axis. ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ. Divided into 6 parts. The second property of the NPC is that it is divided into 6 parts. -3 and +3 only 6 parts which divided hai. Error free data, it ranges from -3 and +3, that is 99.73, which is the highest estimation of the error free data. Area under NPC. The total area under probability curve may come under 100% probability. The area between mean and any point deviation given in term of distance is always same. The figure is as given below. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਬੈਲ ਸ਼ੇਪਡ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਪੂਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਕਰੈਕਟਰਿਸਟਿਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ. ਦੇਖੋ ਬੈਲ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਕਰਵ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ. Next characteristic is 50% skewed on both sides. One of the major properties of normal probability curve can be seen in their equal distribution. 50% is skewed on the right side of the bell curve, and on the other hand side 50% is skewed on the left hand side of the bell curve. In this way it is normal distribution of the bell curve. Next property is the maximum ordinate occurs at the center. The maximum height of the ordinate always occur at the central point of the curve, midpoint. Continuous. Normal probability distribution is continuous in nature with respect to the variable for which it is defined. Next is no negative part. No part of the normal probability curve lies below the x-axis. Hence, it can never be negative. Principle of probability. The normal curve is based on elementary principles of probability, and other name of normal curve is the normal probability curve. Now merits or uses of normal probability curve. ਜਿਹੜੀ NPC curve ਹੈ, the uses are the merits ਕਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ. First is for merits ਨੇ groups of mathematical operations. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੱਖ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹਨੂੰ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. The first and the foremost merit of NPC is that it is used in the mathematics for various mathematical operations. Find out percentage. The other merit of NPC can be used to find out the percentage of any given values. On the other hand side, it is used to find out the percentile of the given values and many other mathematical operations used in this method. Third merit is method of assessment. Normal probability curve is one of the important methods for assessment. In this method, we can take the two subsets of the values and put them both into the bell curve, both sides equally distributed, and then we can assess these values. Through this method, we can find out the certain abilities and then assess them, followed by assigning the grades to them. Next is useful for observation and experiment. NPC is also very useful for the observation and experiment. One can measure the behavioral experience or observatory aspects with the help of normal probability curve. Transforming qualitative data. Similarly, it can be very much helpful in combining and transforming the qualitative data. Qualitative ਭਾਵ ਕਿ quality ਦਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. For example, it can be helpful for rankings, grades or letters to combine and transform them conveniently in the rating scale, and these ratings can be assigned to the particular individual's performance rather than grades or letters. Simplest method of scaling. NPC determines the difficulty level of any test, but it is the simplest method of scaling the different test items and different attributes, etc., with which someone can conveniently find out of the result of different tests. Next is measuring particular data. NPC helps us to find out that in which area some particular test or measuring aspects are fall down. Is it right skewed? Is it left skewed, or is it normally distributed on the center curve, or these aspects fall down equally on both the sides? Next is convey the useful information. हमने सानू जिहड़ी यूजफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन भी प्रोवाइड कर दी है. The normal probability curve conveys the useful information about the test scores in relation to the other test scores. Next is used in behavioral sciences. NPC curve is a mathematical model in behavioral sciences, and we can use this method to assess or measure the behavioral aspects conveniently. Next merit is standard psychological test. NPC is very important to normalize the frequency distribution, which is very much important in standard psychology test. Next is helpful in generalization of sample. जो तुसी कोई भी सैंपल लिया है जनरलाइज करने के लिए भी हेल्पफुल है. NPC can be used to make the generalization from the sample taken from the population, and this can be done by using the table method of NPC. Now some demerits of NPC. First is not always best method. NPC is not always the best method for the skewed data, especially in the cases of larger values of sample data. जो साढ़े को larger value होएगी means कि data ज़्यादा होएगा. Not always in the right distribution of matrices. One of the major disadvantages of NPC is that it is not always the right distribution of matrices. Not every type of the attribute fit into the category of normal probability curve. On the other hand side, we can do a lot of things with the normal distribution, but still these are its limitation. Next is mislead the qualitative data. Sometimes it misleads the qualitative data also. Dear students, in this video we discussed the NPC in detail. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks and have a nice day.